I can read this book. I can read this book. I can write my name. I can write my name. I can open the door. I can open the door. I can close the window. I can close the window. I can draw a picture. I can draw a picture. I can sing a song. I can sing a song. I can dance very well. I can dance very well. I can run very fast. I can run very fast. I can jump very high. I can jump very high. I can kick the ball. I can kick the ball. I can catch the ball. I can catch the ball. I can wash my hand. I can wash my hand. I can comb my hair. I can comb my hair. I can eat by myself. I can eat by myself. I can drink some water. I can drink some water. I can help my friend. I can help my friend. I can open my bag. I can open my bag. I can pack my lunch. I can pack my lunch. I can zip my jacket. I can zip my jacket. I can tie my shoes. I can tie my shoes. I can cut with scissors. I can cut with scissors. I can color the pictures. I can color the pictures. I can climb the tree. I can climb the tree. I can sit on the chair. I can sit on the chair. I can catch the fish. I can catch the fish. I can stand very straight. I can stand very straight. I can sweep the floor. I can sweep the floor. I can water the plants. I can water the plants. I can feed my cat. I can feed my cat. I can feed the dog. I can feed the dog. I can smile at you. I can smile at you. I can talk to teacher. I can talk to teacher. I can count to 10. I can count to 10. I can count to 20. I can count to 20. I can spell my name. I can spell my name. I can spell simple words. I can spell simple words. I can wash the dishes. I can wash the dishes. I can clean my shoes. I can clean my shoes. I can open my notebook. I can open my notebook. I can draw a star. I can draw a star. I can draw a house. I can draw a house. I can play with my toys. I can play with my toys. I can play with friends. I can play with friends. I can hug my mom. I can hug my mom. I can hug my dad. I can hug my dad. I can find my pencil. I can find my pencil. I can sharpen my pencil. I can sharpen my pencil. I can take deep breath. I can take deep breath. I can skip very well. I can skip very well. I can hoop on one foot. I can hoop on one foot. I can wash my face. I can wash my face. I can fold my clothes. I can fold my clothes. I can press the button. I can press the button. I can carry my bag. I can carry my bag. I can make my bed. I can make my bed. I can wear my shoes. I can wear my shoes. I can wear my cap. I can wear my cap. I can open the bottle. I can open the bottle. I can close my book. I can close my book. I can finish my food. I can finish my food. I can start my work. I can start my work. I can hold my pencil. I can hold my pencil. I can read one sentence. I can read one sentence. I can speak very slowly. I can speak very slowly. I can speak very clearly. I can speak very clearly. I can help my teacher. I can help my teacher. I can share my toys. I can share my toys. I can tell my name. I can tell my name. I can tell my age. I can tell my age. I can tell my color. I can tell my color. I can look at board. I can look at board. I can listen to teacher. I can listen to teacher. I can listen to story. I can listen to story. I can follow my friend. I can follow my friend. I can jump in puddle. I can jump in puddle. I can ride my bicycle. I can ride my bicycle. I can ride my scooter. I can ride my scooter. I can skip with rope. I can skip with rope. I can throw the ball. I can throw the ball. I can play the drum. I can play the drum. I can clap my hands. I can clap my hands. I can wash my face. I can wash my face. I can help my mom. I can help my mom. I can open my lunch. I can open my lunch. I can peel a banana. I can peel a banana. I can eat an apple. I can eat an apple. I can drink some milk. I can drink some milk. I can drink some juice. I can drink some juice. I can hold my balloons. I can hold my balloons. I can say thank you. I can say thank you. I can say sorry now. I can say sorry now. I can wait for bus. I can wait for bus. I can walk very slowly. I can walk very slowly. I can sit very quietly. I can sit very quietly. I can cook food at home. I can cook food at home.